The 2014-2018 Chevy Silverado cabin air filter replacement is a simple DIY task that improves your vehicle's air quality and HVAC performance. Replacing the filter reduces allergens, dust, and odors inside your cabin, ensuring a more comfortable and healthier driving experience. Neglecting this maintenance can lead to reduced airflow, musty smells, and potentially costly HVAC repairs. You'll find the filter behind the glove box on the passenger side. Changing it regularly, every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, or annually, keeps your system running efficiently. Newer HEPA-style filters can remove 99% of particles. Start by opening the passenger side glove box. Gently squeeze the sides to release the stops, then lower it completely. Remove the glove box door by detaching any clips or screws, securing the filter housing cover behind it. Use a flathead screwdriver or trim tool to avoid breaking clips. Pull out the old filter from the housing. Note the airflow direction arrow. It should point toward the cabin. Install the new filter, ensuring the airflow arrow points toward the cabin. Use a filter sized about 8 inches by 8 inches by 1.5 inches. Reassemble the filter housing and glove box door. Ensure all clips engage properly without forcing. The process takes 15 to 30 minutes. Use proper tools to avoid breaking clips and ensure a secure fit.